Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hacking with Ken. So basically, I'm here today with the admin of Cyber Inspects, Kaleem Ibn Anwar. Kaleem is one of the best ethical hacker I know, and he's working on a project known as Cyber Inspect. So first of all, Kaleem, would you like? I would like you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Thank you, kenCypher, for inviting me here. First of all, if I talk about myself, then I am working in ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and Python developments from almost last 3 to 4 years, and I am trying to bring something new for the community, especially in cybersecurity communities, for learning and communication of systems.
That's great. The purpose, the main reason I invite Kaleem here is because I want Kaleem to show you guys an amazing platform he was building, a project he calls it Cyber Inspect, which is a great website, and I really love it. It has great resources, and I've done enough talking. I now want Kaleem to show you the website. So Kaleem, I think I waited long enough, and from our previous interview, we can see the Cyber Inspects, and I think Cyber Inspect is fully ready now. So uh, please show us the Cyber Inspects.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen here. Uh, so is it visible now?
Yeah, I can see the screen very clearly.
Okay, so CyberInspects is a network of independent developers and cybersecurity specialists working together to bring some revolution in development, security, and training fields. First of all, if we talk about the development, we are bringing the futuristic applications like mobile applications, web applications, AI, and blockchain. In security, we are providing cybersecurity services like threat control and management, risk management, penetration testing, and ethical hacking. In training, we are providing services like online sessions, meetings, and personal trainings, team trainings. So if I move to the main point, the website is technically based on an learning platform that is providing books, courses, and blogs. So first of all, what you have to do if you want to link with us, you will have to create an account on our platform. Uh, at 1 minute. Uh, when you will come to this website, this will be like this, and you will have to go to the login section. This will redirect you to the auth.cyberinspects.net, and here you will have to create your account. This is a beta program, not available for public, but you can request access by mailing us at support@cyberinspects.net.
So if I just want to be part of Cyber Inspects, all I have to do is email you.
You will mail us, and then we will reply with the login information.
Okay, that sounds great. But I have another question. When it's gonna be like public, when anyone can sign up, just like you sign up on the other websites. So when it's gonna be public?
Actually, we are uploading the content here and managing some configurations. So it would take like 1 or 2 months, then it will be totally public for everyone.
No, I think that's great plan because you are uploading content first and doing configuration first, so you won't have to worry about the configuration and content. And user can just access your website and learn from videos or learn from the content.
Yeah. Now for the login, you will have to go here and let me log in by my account, and, or I can also log in. I'm not Robert and sign. So as you will login here, this will be the interface. There would be a dashboard, user dashboard, where you can see your profile. You can manage it through here. You can change your settings information, and there will be the resources section. For example, if you go to the blog.cyberinspects.net, and you are reading any of the blog here, like this one, and you want to save it in your dashboard here, what you have to do is simply click here at the save button, and you will be able to access it through saved blogs, and here is it.
So let me get this straight. There are blogs, there will be courses, there will be books. So can you show us what courses you have for now? I mean, what content or anything?
Actually, we are uploading courses, and the upcoming courses are Linux and ethical hacking. The currently being uploaded course is Python course in Hindi language, Urdu language. So if I go here, learn.cyberinspects.net, you can get content here. The most of the courses will surely be free here, and the books here. So you just have to click on the course that you want to enroll in, and there will be the button. I have already enrolled it. If you have not enrolled in this course, you will have to click here, and there will be the button. So when you will
So
click here,
sorry to interrupt. So these courses are for free, right? I mean, there are no charges right now.
yeah, these courses are free, but surely the advanced courses will cost, but not that much. It would be the lowest costing courses in the field here.
Okay, I think that seems fair. I mean, you guys are working so hard to provide this kind of platform and giving these services, and not of other websites, you know, just give free books and content for free and allow them to write blogs and anything. So I mean, student can learn from video lectures, and he can read books, and he can view blogs. If he is having some trouble with the other, he can just read blog of someone who had the same matter and resolved it. So I think that's very great project you're working on.
Exactly, the this is the basic idea of providing cheap education and with advanced technologies. So we are trying our best to provide content to the newcomers. Yeah.
Okay, so what other services you have on Cyber Inspects?
Beside these courses and books, if I show you here, we are also providing books here. If the user will click here uh, on any book, he will be able to get the book for free if the book is free, or if it's paid, he will have to pay for that. There will be the demo of the book, demo pages, and all you have to do is click here, get for free, and it will redirect you to the dashboard. So
And
here
I
it
can
is.
just read here, or if I want to download it, I can just download.
Yes. Uh, so these are the contents we are uploading.
Okay, Kaleem, can you, I see two options here, certification and examination. Can you explain them to our viewers? I mean, what they really mean?
These are the two things that can be uh, can that can prove as a certification of your skills. So when someone will go to the course here, I mean, when someone will enroll in any course here, he will get an certificate. He will get a certificate here that he can view here, download as PNG or PDF, and can easily visit it. So this is
So,
basically enrollment certificate for the course. It is not the certificate for skill assessment. So if you want to assess your skills, if you want the a genuine certificate for your skill, you will have to go to examination and you will have to exam. Yeah, you will have to give the exam.
So if I
Yeah,
pass the exam, I will get the certificate of completing the course.
yeah.
So after the exam, how the examination system works on Cyber Inspect?
Actually, this is totally based on instructor. We will give the partnership program here. Anyone can share courses here on our platform. So this will based to the instructor. If the instructor want to take 30 questions in a test, he will able to do that. And if he want to take only 5 questions in a test, he will also be able to do that. The
So,
percentage will also be uh, allotted by the instructor, and the whole procedure is based to him.
so basically, it all depends on the mentor or instructor. So he can put how many questions he want, and uh, he can put the like if you can solve 15 out of 30, you get pass, or if you can't, you will fail. So uh, I have just have another question. How many times can a student retake this exam? I mean, like you go on Cisco, you can retake exams. Like most of the final, you can retake only one time. So how many retakes can a student can have on these exams?
Actually, it is not like that here. A user can take as many retakes as he want because he has paid to us for the course, and he can view the course again, he can learn again, and then again come back and give the examination.
I think that's great. I mean, but I have another question. What if I retake the exam for the second time? Isn't it gonna be that I get same question, or are questions gonna be random?
Uh, as I told you, that the examination system is totally based on the instructor. So if the instructor has put the 1,000 questions in and he want to take the exam from 30 questions, then the random 30 questions will be picked for the paper from those 1,000 questions. So totally depends upon the instructor.
Okay, so basically it's random. I think that's really great because we don't want people to just retake and answer right question again and pass. So it will be like cheating, but random, and I think that's great idea. So I think this is the student dashboard. So now, what other features Cyber Inspect provide other than the contents and video lectures?
Well, we are also providing online tools for cybersecurity and developments. Like here, if I go to tools.cyberinspects.net,
And can you explain what kind of tools you're providing basically?
we are providing cybersecurity tools. This is a cybersecurity toolkit, and here is the who is lookup, Tarjo IP range that will be used to calculate the IP ranges of cities, uh, countries, or continents. Similarly, GeoIP, everyone knows about it, and Cracker and ocean-based password list generator for password cracking, especially used in black hat activities, and hash identifier based on the hash identifier GitHub repository, and encoder decoder is used normally in bypassing firewalls, etc. And MD5 hash decryptor and encryptor. And this is actually not decrypting the MD5 hashes, but matching to the hash tables. Then here we have EXIF for images, geoinformation extractor for images, and cybersecurity checklist. That is a guideline for the developers and penetration testers. to remember that what points they have to check on their website. Uh, and
Okay,
this
so
will get
anyone
back.
can check the vulnerabilities and test them using this toolkit.
Yeah, here are actually there are three main tools that we are providing here, uh, especially this subdomain finder, SPF record checker, and endpoint hunter. These are the three tools that are most important for bug hunters that are working on web applications.
Can
Like
you
if I
explain,
write,
sorry to interrupt, can you explain subdomains? What is subdomain? Because most of the users might be basic. So, what is subdomain exactly?
uh, actually here is the subdomains. I can demonstrate it here. m.cyberinspects.net. Similarly, we have tools.cyberinspects.net, and I already showed you the cyberinspects.net and
So
learn.cyberinspects.net.
let me get this
So
straight. Yeah, yeah. Go on.
subdomains
Sorry.
are used to divide an big application into multiple applications, or a domain into multiple domains. Like subdomain, as the term itself is defining that there is a domain and then subcategories.
So basically, we can call them child domains too.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So now show me the online subdomain hunter or finder.
Actually, it is based on the feedback URLs and OSINT-based methods. So it won't take too much time, but most of the subdomains are unique. So if I go here and type any domain like edu.pk and enumerate here, then it will show me all the educational websites of Pakistan. So a big range of a big range of subdomains.
So basically, I don't have to type the whole domain. I can just type few letters and it will just give me if these letters are in subdomain.
Yes. So this is the easiest way to find subdomains of any website. Uh, so here it is, and now you can see all the websites uh, ending on edu.pk are here,
So
and you
basically,
can,
these are all the educational websites, and we got
yes,
202 pages of results.
and 30 on every page.
Wow, that's really, really great. I mean, and it happens like really, really fast. So I think it's really, really great toolkit. And I have another question. Uh, did you made this by yourself?
No, as I already told you, it is based on OSINT methods. So I have written the scripts that are being used in it, but the fetching of data is based on the on the other APIs or web applications like wayback URLs and achieve.org machines and other applications like that.
I think that's really good, but also even if you didn't write most of the script, I mean, you still done the joining the stuff like integrating with one another, so it can give you the exact data what you're looking for. So I think you worked really hard on this. So the subdomain finder, it's really really great. You won't find tools like this on most of the websites, to be honest. Even what call is sublist 3R don't doesn't give you like results like this what you get on cyber inspect toolkit.
Yes, we are providing. There are many websites providing services like that, but that websites are mostly paid or providing services, uh, uh, limited services. Like you can't check the subdomains this way, so you will have to type. and
The whole
accurate
domain.
domain for server.
Yeah, and some of the websites just can just give you like one trial and then ask you for your credit card.
Yes.
Okay, I think we're done with the subdomain finder. What is the buck SPF record? Can you show us?
Yes, this is one of the my favorite tool I have used in previous years. This is SPF record checker. So SPF is send replace framework that is used to identify the servers that can send domains that can send mails from your domains. So if you don't put the records in your domain txt, I hope many of you guys know what is txt records in a domain. So if you won't put that SPF records in your txt, anyone can send mails from your domain name.
Why don't you go ahead and give us a demonstration?
So if I go here, and actually it can take multiple inputs here. You are not limited to type a single domain and check for that, and then again another domain. You can simplify type multiple domains here, like so you can type multiple domains here and simply click on the check button. It will show you the output that for what domain the SPF records are missing. If you will click here on the missing only, this will not show you the valid SPF records, but only that are invalid. So if I click here and check this out, so this domain don't have a SPF record. That means anyone from like um,
So anyone
ABC
can send the email.
at yeah, mail.pakistan.gov.pk can easily send domain from here, email from here.
Wow, I think they should. It's very big flaw in security.
Yes, actually, this can lead to misunderstandings. Like if this domain has this vulnerability, this is sure that there would be multiple domains in Pakistan government sections that won't have the SPF records, and anyone can send email from their email addresses to anyone, like from Pakistan to India or from Pakistan to American emails.
So anyone can. This can be used in phishing attacks. To be honest.
Yes, this can be used for phishing attacks and for social engineering and for misleading, like that was happened in the cricket event when England team was coming to Pakistan.
So along with the content and other stuff, you are providing the toolkits, which is really great. And now can you show us the website spider? What is that?
Yes, website spider or endpoint hunter. This is one of the my favorite tools, and this can be used to enumerate websites for endpoints. Like if I want to check the files available on this website that are publicly available, I will click here and click on the track. Show me the files that are publicly available on this website.
So
Similarly,
basically, kind
if
of
I
like
click on the
GoBuster.
yes, it is, as I already told you, it is based on passive information gathering. These tools are based on passive information gathering, similar to GoBuster, subdomain finder, but passively.
Okay, I think, and the endpoint hunter, and it gives you a lot of file which are accessible by you. So These files are accessible by anyone. I mean, the status codes should be 100 or can be any status code.
This can be any status code because it is a passive information gathering method. So it might be this link is not available now. This could be this link is not available now. The file was deleted, but it is still indexed in the Google. So it may not have the 200 every time.
Okay, so it can be any status code like 400, but still, I mean, even without the status code, it gives you a lot of useful data. I mean, you can just do your searching on them.
Yes, and there is another parameter section. So if you click here, check this out, and then click track, you can find the parameters in URLs like this. So this is the most basic use of this tool, and you can use this parameter checker to check the parameters in URLs, and then you can perform mass XSS vulnerability scanners and mass SQL injection vulnerability scanners on these URLs.
So I can check for web vulnerabilities using the parameters. So it also finds the what are the
Yes.
parameters.
Parameters are basically the names by which the data is being sent to the website. Like here, I have clicked on it, and the parameter is going paras equal to on, which means that parameter point is on for the search, and the domain is equal to nfciit.edu.uk. So parameters are basically used to send information to the backend.
So parameters can lead to web vulnerabilities. It can lead to LFI if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it can happen because some websites are taking the path of files through parameters, and they are not filtering the parameter for the accurate paths. For example, if I'm giving here like this one LFI method. So this website must check it for the right location. That is it readable for the user? Everyone, is it readable for the everyone or not? So that are the misconfigurations that lead to these bugs.
Yeah, you find more some of the websites still with the LFI vulnerability, and it's still a shame because this vulnerability is easy to correct, but still most people don't do, and most people make mistakes and leave the site vulnerable to the LFI. And to me, LFI mostly leads to a user can access your whole server information without you noticing. So, and it's all on the web, and he can use Burpsuit to do more of his tasks. So, and I think the endpoint hunter, I really like it. I really like the tool. You won't find the tools like that all every day. So I think that's really interesting tool. I would really check this tool out.
Thank you. I will be waiting for your feedback and feedback from the viewers as well.
So I think we saw how Kaleem taught us to register on Cyber Inspects, and he showed us the courses. We got a whole tour of Cyber Inspects, and I think it's all for today. And I'll be seeing Kaleem in my next session, and in that I think we're gonna be doing some ethical hacking stuff. So, Kareem, I really want to appreciate that you gave me your time, and you showed us the Cyber Inspect and how to register on it. And thank you so much for providing this amazing platform. And like you said, we are providing the cheap education, and I just want to say I really appreciate it. Most people just want money and stuff, but you are working so hard to make this platform work, and I know it will work because platforms like this get grow easily because uh, cheap education and the perfect content, that's what user wants, so you're giving them what they want. So I think this will be a great thing. So thank
And
you
thank
again,
you,
Kareem.
kenCypher, and thank you for inviting me again here.
Yeah, I just really wanted to show the world what a great platform you're working on. So I will put the link in the description so you can visit the Cyber Inspect yourself, and you can just try the tools out and courses out, and you can try most of the stuff out. So basically, if you just want to register, Kalim showed you how you can. So just go ahead and email him, and he will give you the access of the website. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video.